Alright, what's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Oittm Apple Watch and iPhone dock. Let's get started. Alright, so to get this one, go to Amazon.ca and it'll cost you $53, and it comes in 3 different colors: rose gold, silver, and space gray, which is the one that Oittm sent to me to check out for this video. Not sponsored, but they just sent it out for me to check out. It's pretty cool, and shout out to them. And so it has 2 USB ports for plugging the charging cables for your iPhone and your Apple Watch into. And then there's also more USB ports on the back, which I'll get into a little bit more later on in the video. And yeah, let's unbox it. Alright, let's unbox this. So here it is. Picture of the dock on the box. Got an iPhone there and an Apple Watch. iPhone charging, Apple Watch charging, USB charging, and it's the aluminum charging dock station for Apple Watch and iPhone from Oittm, and it's the US plug, which is good. And then some more features: unique compact design and versatility, high quality premium aluminum multifunctional charging dock stand, perfect combination for Apple Watch and iPhone without cable mixture, built-in 2 USB ports, and so on and so on. Oh, the phone stand can be moved forward or backward by adjusting the screw, and it's compatible with Apple Watch, iPhone, iPad, iPod, and other devices with USB-C, or with USB. Yeah, USB-A. Slide this open. You get a cardboard box, pretty simple. And you get all the stuff that you need. You get instructions, which appear to be only in Chinese. Oh wait, no, this is just a review card. None of them are in English. Alright, spot it aside. And then this is 3M tape of some kind, it looks like. Not really sure what that's for in this case. And then got manual, product installation. That's helpful. Yeah. If you want to read that, pause it and check that out. Yeah, let's put that to the side as well. And then you get the AC power cable, which is this standard one. It's pretty good, same as the Apple TV. So if you have any cables for that, then you have an extra for this. Or if your Apple TV, if you lose your cable, you can use this one. So I like that it's standard and not some stupid proprietary connector. I appreciate that, so shout out to Oittm for that. And then here's the dock itself, and this is where you set it up, I believe. USB ports, AC power. Yeah, this feels pretty solid. Nice cold aluminum. And then let's see if there's anything else. There is. Yeah, this is for your phone, I believe. So I usually don't like reading instructions when it comes to stuff, but this I'm going to read the instructions and see how complicated it is, and then I'll get back to you guys. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so when you pop the top of this off, this part, you get more parts. Yeah, so I just wanted to show that to you quickly, and then yeah, I'm gonna get back to installing this piece. Alright, so here's the dock all set up, minus the cables, but yeah, here it is. So it's mostly aluminum, a little bit of plastic and rubber in certain spots. Then you run your Apple Watch cable through here, and an iPhone cable up through here. But when I was setting this up, I discovered that in theory you could use this to dock another phone. It just would be up really high, but it does indeed work, and it says rubbery grips on the bottom, so it's not going to move around on your desk. You've got USB ports on the back, which I'll test out in a second. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so here's the dock with a couple cables connected in the back. So in theory, if you wanted and you had a bunch of stuff that you wanted to charge through this, you could use the USB hub, which I would probably do if I was going to use this dock. just to maximize the efficiency of the USB ports. But yeah, let's keep it moving. Alright, so that's the Oittm Apple Watch and iPhone dock. Got it right here. Yeah, so here it is. Pretty sweet little dock if you have an Apple Watch and an iPhone. And then on the back it's got spots for you to charge other stuff. Super awesome. Yeah, so shout out to Oittm for sending this out to me to review. I'll have it linked down below along with some of their other stuff that I'm hoping to review in the future. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you're gonna get this. Let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with more soon. Peace.